Hello friends, welcome to our fifth and last video this week as we look at working with Microsoft Excel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can rename the sheets in Excel workbook. My name is Mercy Consolata Keller. Let's get started. So, say you have created a new sheet. Let's create one. As you can see, it's automatically given a name, sheet 3. But you're not interested in using this. You want it to have something better than what is there. So say you just want to name it table. You can just double click and then you can just type table. Then you press enter. And that's it. It's renamed. The other option is, if you have this, you can right click, scroll over and select rename, and then you can name it, say, die, and press enter. That's it for renaming. The other thing you can do with these tabs or the worksheets is you can change the color. So you can just right click, come to tab color and select a color of your choice. Let's go with gold. Can do the same for these other tabs. Can select blue. That has been it for this video. If you enjoyed the content, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel so that you're posted on new videos. Thank you and happy learning.